Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to get Canon LiDE 300 scanner drivers to get its full smooth performance. Simply come to this and you will get this in the comment box. Simply download this. And install. Now connect your scanner. Scanner driver setup is perfectly done. Now, I will scan a document with it. And this is the result from the scanner. How I did this with a super app, there is dedicated video for this. You can check it here and the link will be in the description as well. Goodbye.